Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your games keeps minimizing in the desktop here. So I'm going to show you some method, so hope this will work for you. So first method is to update your graphics driver here. So you just have to go to the search bar here and search for device manager. Search for device manager. And the best match will be device manager here. And here you need to find your graphics card here. So as you can see, this is the display adapters. Under there you will find your graphics card. So you just need to right click on it and go to the update driver option. And here you have to click on search automatically for drivers. And it will automatically search the drivers for you, and it will update the drivers for you. For that, you just need to turn on your Wi-Fi or internet option here, and it will update the drivers for you if that driver is not up to date here. And if the driver is updated, then go check your games and hope that will help you. So if that doesn't work for you, there's another option you can do is just go to your taskbar here and open the task manager and check if some of the application that you're running on the background you don't want it. So you just have to turn off this application here. So for example, I'm just choosing this here and right click on it and click End Tasks here. So you just have to choose all the way and check if there's some application or software running in the background that you don't want. So maybe that was the problem, that your games keeps minimizing here. So you can just choose a software application and End Tasks here. So and check if the games is working or not. So if this method also not helping you, you can choose another way, is just turn off the game mode here. So what you have to do is just go to the start menu, go to settings here, and then go to your gaming option here. And as you can see, game mode, and you just have to turn off the game mode here and then try to play the game again, and if that's work and help for you. So that's it guys, these are the 3 options and 3 solutions I can find and say this will work for you. So if this worked for you and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.